Okay, so I've been making YouTube videos for over 10 years now, and for most of that time, I've had my email address displayed on my channel's about page. So I get a lot of emails. Some come from viewers, and some come from brands that are interested in sponsoring a video on my channel, which is great. As somebody who relies on income from YouTube, sponsorships have been a great way to diversify my income and develop relationships with brands, and it also allows me to purchase equipment and find cool products to showcase on the channel. But today we're going to focus on those shadier and just odd business emails, the companies that I don't make sponsorship deals with. You see, I actually turn down a lot of the sponsorship offers that I get because I either don't believe in the product, it's something that I wouldn't use myself, or it's just plain shady. I only work with brands that I believe in, and I use the product or service myself before promoting it to you guys because I just feel that's the right thing to do. I don't do paid reviews, I never have and I never will because I believe that's completely unethical. But there is one thing I do that most people probably don't do, and that is I keep most of my emails, even the offers that I don't accept. Why, you ask? Simple, so I can make a video like this. I'm going to be taking you through some of the shadier business emails that I've received over the years. Let's get started. One of the most common brands that I hear from are those CD key sale websites. You guys ever heard of G2A? Well, there are a ton of sites like it, and I've gotten emails from what seems like every one of them. Here's one. The subject line of this one is sponsored video. Really descriptive there, with what looks like fidget spinners, which made me think this email was from 2017, but it actually comes from last year. Hello. Wish you have a nice day. You know, I am having a nice day. Thank you so much for saying that. I'm from... Yeah, I'm blurring out all the brand names throughout this video just so you know. We are a developing digital game sale company. We also sell software such as Windows 10 and Microsoft Wear Office 2016. Haven't heard of that last one there. Here's our website. You can click the link for more information. I watched your videos on YouTube. They are good, and YouTube is really a great platform. We have some products in great price need to promote, so we hope you can make a 10 to 30 seconds pre-roll ads before your videos. Are you interested in this propose? Please reply me with more details if you interested. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, so this is a good example of a standard email that I get from one of these sites. They usually always mention Windows 10 and Microsoft Office by name, which is a good indication that they actually looked at the type of content that I do on this channel, which is great. Asking me to promote, say, Among Us keys wouldn't really make sense. The main reason I don't take sponsorships from these gray market key sites is because I'm not comfortable with it. They're called gray market sites for a reason. Even if the key you buy works, there's no guarantee that it won't get deactivated down the road. And you don't know how the key was obtained in the first place. For example, it could have been purchased using a stolen credit card, who knows? So I've made it a rule that I won't promote these kind of services on my channel. But I still get many emails from them. Here's another one. Hello, sir. Nice to e-meet you. Now that's a phrase I've not seen in an email before. It is a real saying though. Also, I find it funny how my channel name is in the subject line, but they just use hello sir in the body of the email. Like you couldn't just copy and paste that. This is a huge indication that the body is probably just copied and pasted from some template that they have. Hope you are doing fine and stay safe. This is marketing manager of which is a media company in Hong Kong. We expect to sponsor your channel about software deal for our site, which sell authorized and legal software keys and game keys. And they actually made me an offer here. They wanted me to make one dedicated video each month and have 2 pre-roll ads integrated into regular content of mine each month. And in the subject line, it says they can sign a 3-month contract. Again, why would you not include this in the body? The subject line is way too long. But like, here's the thing. They want me to make a dedicated video, presumably on how to activate Windows 10 for $12 or whatever. I'm sure you guys have seen videos like that. Though they don't mention Windows 10 at all in this email, but that's my guess. They want me to make an entire video dedicated to their site each month. Because that would be great for you guys, right? Getting a video that's exactly the same as one that I did 4 weeks ago. I assume they would want me to change it up a little bit each time, like maybe one month they'll sell you a Windows 10 key for $10 instead of $12, but still, it's really dumb. The pre-roll ads make more sense. I've signed long-term contracts with brands that purchase multiple ad spots in videos, but the content of the video itself is different each time. And this format allows for the ad to be seen by more people because the content of the video will be something that is related to the regular content we do on this channel. I've got another one here from one of these gray market sites, and I want you to forget everything you know about email etiquette because we can all learn so much from how this one is written. Hi friend, have a nice day. You know, I can really appreciate this. They get right down to it, right to the point. They want you to have a nice day. This is all you need. Every email should be like this. Now, obviously, this is just a translation issue. It probably is supposed to say, hope you're having a nice day, because have a nice day would go at the end of an email. Also, they use hi friend, indicating that this is yet again another template that was just pasted in here. I also got this one with the subject line of just my channel name, and it comes from an Outlook.com address. Now, I've seen this more often than not with these companies. They either don't have email set up on their domain, or they're just using Outlook and Gmail addresses to reach out to YouTube channels. Not that professional. What's even less professional is the first line. Hello, bro. I'm customer service. Wow, he's the entire customer service department? I see that your YouTube channel has a video about Windows 10, and it's done well. Yeah, just the one video. They want me to make a Windows 10 key video, blah, 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 and they make me an offer as well, a generous reward. That could be interpreted multiple ways, but we'll just move on. You know what else is great? Getting emails that weren't even intended for you, like this one. Paid collab request. Windows on Windows times... Now guys, look, there's something I gotta tell you. This may come as a shock to some of you, but I'm not Windows on Windows. You can check out his channel here. No, really, I don't know how this happened. This email was sent to me, to my email address. It begins with, hello Michael, but then goes on to say that we very much enjoyed your video using Windows 7 after end of support part 2. And that's one of Windows on Windows' videos. I think it's funny that they specifically liked part 2. Like, what's wrong with part 1? No, they just probably copied and pasted his latest video at the time and just said, yeah, we really like this video. I even replied to them and said, hey, I'm not this person. Would you like me to forward the email to him? But I never heard back. And surprisingly, I've had multiple emails end up in my inbox over the years that were meant for other people's YouTube channels. This one's subject is 64iOS. It comes from a Gmail address. Hey, my name is... I am a representative of the Flox.es. Fluxes? I'm not censoring the brand name because I couldn't find any information about it online. We are very interested in your YouTube channel. We like how your videos were recorded and edited cool. Why, thank you. What a nice compliment. Except it wasn't even intended for me because the subject line 64iOS is the name of another YouTube channel. Apparently, Flox.es is the most secure collaboration platform and is an alternative to Skype or Discord. Well guys, if you want your platform to be as successful as Skype or Discord, try to come up with an easier to pronounce name. But they didn't stop at just one email, no, because a few days later I got another email from the same address with the subject Paul Hibbert. Yet another YouTube channel that isn't mine, and it's the exact same email written the exact same way from the same person. Except this time is a manager at S-Watch, or Swatch maybe? Wait a second. Maybe this is the Swiss watch company. Wow, that would be really cool to collaborate with them. Nah, it's not, because Swatch is the most secure collaboration platform. Really? I thought that title went to Flox.es. Although this time it's a secure alternative to Slack or Discord. So much for Skype then, that's like so 2012. At least they took my advice though, they came up with a much easier to pronounce name. Still don't know what it means. When you think of Swatch, you think of the watch company. It took one more email from whoever this is to finally get my channel name right. But it's not like I could get any information about this so-called secure collaboration platform because there are no links in the email. When you look up Swatch, all you get are results for Swiss watches. I don't understand why, if you were serious about sponsoring someone's video, why would you not include a link to your website in the first email? But at least these people told me the name of their product, because I've gotten countless emails that contain absolutely no information about the product. This one's subject is FireSpark81, yet another channel that isn't mine, and it begins with, "Good afternoon. I'm an ads manager. I would like to order PR on your YouTube channel." So this is from a different email address, but I'm pretty sure it's from that same person who sent me the last email because it's written very similarly. Next up is this mysterious one. "Good afternoon, Mr. MJD. I am writing to you from an alias address to keep our company's identity confidential until we hear back from you. We are thinking about running a small sponsorship in one of your upcoming videos on YouTube. Please get back to me with your average prices you usually charge for a small YouTube sponsorship. Sincerely, Sponsorship Relations Department." What is the point of keeping your company anonymous? I'm going to have to know what the name of your company is to read into your service or your product to figure out if I want to take a sponsorship from you. Have you ever gotten an email that you knew wasn't meant solely for you? Maybe some generic phrases like "Dear Sir" or "Hello Friend" are used to begin the email. This email here has a few giveaways. It starts off with, "Hi, my channel name isn't included anywhere in the body or subject line, but you want to know how I figured out that this email wasn't intended just for me? Because it was sent to 6,000 people." I'm not kidding you. 6,566 individual email addresses. I guess this person doesn't know what the BCC line does. Then a few people responded but clicked reply all instead of reply. So we had a bit of an email chain going there. This is probably the craziest email that I've ever received, but there you go. Those are some of the more interesting business-related emails that I've gotten recently. Hopefully you all enjoyed this one. I know it's much different from the content I usually make, but if you did, be sure to give it a like and get subscribed, and feel free to share any crazy email stories that you have down in the comments. I want to thank you all for 100,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. That is a really insane milestone, and I have no one to thank but all of you guys. So thank you for continuing to watch and support this channel and share these videos. It really means a lot to me. And I want to thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.